If you are building affiliate funnel using cookies, you are already behind. With third-party cookies disappearing fast, your affiliate links could stop tracking and your commissions gone. But here is the good news. Today, I will show you how to build a privacy-first affiliate funnel that works without cookies and still converts like crazy. No hacks, no tricks, just smart marketing that respects privacy and still pays. Let us begin. You have probably heard it by now. Third-party cookies are dying. Safari blocks them. Firefox blocks them. And Google Chrome is the next. And we are waiting for the news. That means if your affiliate links rely on cookie-based tracking, you are losing data and potential income. So what is the alternative? The solution: first-party tracking 1, email sign-ups 2, transparent opt-ins 3. We are building an understanding of what I call privacy-first affiliate funnel. And in this video, I will show you exactly how it works. You don't need fancy tools. You don't need a paid ad. Just a landing page, a lead magnet, and a simple flow that captures interest and converts without cookies. That is it. Step 1. Use a free tool like system.io or ConvertKit to build a simple opt-in page. Offer something small but valuable, like a 3-step checklist, a quick start guide, or a beginner mini course. This gets people to willingly give their email. No shady peasant tracking. And now you've got first-party data as yours. Not Facebook's, not Google's. Curious about what to offer if you are just starting? Stay with me. I will give you 3 plug-and-play ideas in a second. Once someone signs up, redirect them to a thank you page with a clear offer. This is where most beginners mess things up. They hide affiliate links behind pop-ups or vague buttons. Instead, be transparent. If you like this free guide, here is the tool I use to curate it. And boom, you are turning first-party interest into trackable affiliate clicks. No cookies needed, just trust and timing. Step 3. Use simple email follow-ups, not pushy spam. Just helpful, honest tips. Example: Day 1, how to get started. Day 2, mistakes to avoid. Day 3, a tool that helps me. These emails convert better than cookie-based banners because they build relationship, not just impression. Want a ready-to-use 3-day follow-up script? Drop privacy funnel in the comment. Cookies may be fading, but conversions don't have to. If you are building first-party trust, offer real value, and guide your audience clearly, you can still win big with affiliate marketing in 2025 and beyond. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. And check the video description for links to tools I mentioned. All privacy safe, and they are free to use. And mind you, it is not an affiliate links. Privacy first doesn't mean powerless. It means smarter. Thanks for watching.